I feel so loved dahil sa presence ko. Ayun, may announcement lang po. Yes, ayun, don't forget to stream Love Like You on all digital music platforms out na po siya. And of course, this is composed and produced by Tyro Alcaro. Thank you so much for Tyro. And may announcement ng surprise announcement ng kami na magkakaroon po ako ng concert this year.
Susuportahan ba natin si Ashtin? Nanonood ba tayo ng concert ni Ashtin? Kaya na-support Ashtin. Ikaw na yan.
Ayun na, mag-enjoy lang tayo hanggang... May curfew. Mag-enjoy lang tayo hanggang mapagod tayo.